how to fix Rockstar Games error 1000.7. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your computer search, and you want to search for virus and threat protection. Click on this option. Now from here you will select virus and threat protection settings, manage settings, scroll all the way down until you see exclusions and click on add or remove exclusion. Click on yes. Now add an exclusion and you will select folder. Now you want to go to your C drive, program files, and just find Rockstar Games. If you have installed it elsewhere, make sure you locate that, and you will find Rockstar Games, and you want to click on select folder. That's going to add it as an exclusion. The second thing that I suggest doing is searching for date and time settings, opening up this. And here, make sure set time zone automatically is turned on. Set time automatically is also on. And then you will click on sync now. Once you click on sync now, this is just going to verify your date and time. And you will no longer have the issue with Rockstar Games. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.